come with me to see how a beach architect supervises his project. Come with me. So first of all, this is going to be the carport area in this place. And also we have the water cisterns over here. It's going to be next to the storage and pump area. So this is essential to stay from the very beginning, okay? The water cisterns. And this is the main entrance of the house. For the owners, this is going to be the sidewalk to go to the main living area. But also, coming from the carport area to the pool deck, this is going to be the entrance, okay? So meanwhile you are enjoying this nice view, you are going to be going directly to the house. This house is a contemporary style architecture. We can say my team and I are so proud of this design. So look at that stunning view. If you have been following me for a while, you know that we have been, showing you this process from the very beginning. I mean the designing process. And now we are showing you the construction process. So as you can see, the guys are compacting the soil because we need to have a very stable soil to build the floor. This way we are avoiding any crack, or we are going to avoid the cracks on the tiles, okay? Which is very important. So we are compacting the house properly based on the soil study. We are adding layers of dirt. This way we don't have any issues. For example, the house sinking in the future. Over here, this is the very end of the house. Talking about the interior. Over here, we are going to have a big panoramic door, a sliding door, okay? So as you can see, the balcony and the second story is providing a lot of shaded area, okay? You can see it by your own. It's providing a lot of shaded area. This is the pool deck. Until this line, until this wall, we have the pool deck. So you will enjoy a really nice shaded area. And also here you have a sunbathing area if you want to enjoy the sun properly. And you can enjoy a really nice view towards the ocean as well. It's not a huge pool. It's not huge because we had to be very careful with the cliff because we have another house below, okay? So to build this pool, we have to carry out a soil study to see how good the soil was, and we need to go deeper with almost 12 feet of depth because the soil wasn't very good, okay? That's very important to know from the very beginning. But yeah, as you can see, with that metal structure, we are achieving a really nice balcony. Using concrete, using the regular concrete, we cannot achieve that width, okay? So this is the open living area, all this massive space. And if you are here, once you are here, all what you see from this point to that point is all glass. So you will see that stunning view. I think that's the best amenity of this house, the view. And also this is the private entrance of my clients coming from the back of the house. This way, when they are buying groceries from the town and maybe they have guests, they are not going to be using the very nice entrance with the groceries, with the bags, So this is an alternative entrance just for them. And also over here, we are going to have a staircase going to the second story. And over here, we will have the powder room, okay? The powder room for visitors with a really nice window. Obviously, this is going to be a frosted glass. This is going to be another window as well. And over here, we will have the laundry room. This is going to be the laundry room, okay? So the laundry is connected with the kitchen practically. Now let's go to the kitchen. So this is the kitchen, guys. Obviously, we need to cut those trees a little bit, the very top. We need to remove those shrubs as well. And in the very center, we will have an island over here for 3 people at the same time. And meanwhile, you are cooking or having breakfast with your partner, you will see the stunning view towards San Juan del Sur. Right now, we have a lot of vegetation yet, but once the project is finished, you will enjoy the best view ever. To be honest, this is the house with the best view, the house that my team and I have designed. And you will have a lot of natural illumination around, okay? So the guys right now are working really fast. So you can see that we are using the typical metal deck for the second story. For the slab, I think this is lighter. If we don't use this system, we cannot extend the balcony or the rest of the house as we do, okay? We need to be clear on that. So this is the second story. We will have here all the bedrooms. So we can say we will enjoy the best views in the second story, okay? So we have in the back, dockside, San Juan del Sur, port, and over here, we will enjoy the sunset. And all this area is going to be a balcony, a really stunning balcony for my clients. And in this corner, we will have the typically, window in the corner without frame in the middle. So I really love that amenity, that feature in my houses, and it's practically now a typical feature for my designs. Over here, we have a secondary bedroom. In this area, we will have the bathroom, okay? So I have left some windows over here so you can enjoy as well the sunset meanwhile you are taking a shower, for example. And over here, we have the staircase going to downstairs. Over here, we have a hall where we will have a private TV area over here, or just like a living area, just like that. And this area, we will have the master bedroom. So you can see and feel the stunning place we are at. So we will have those stunning views towards those rocks over there. We will have obviously a railing over here, okay? And in the opposite, we will have the third bedroom, which is this one, okay? That bedroom on my left and this bedroom on my right are practically the same. They are twins bedrooms, and this is the TV area I was talking about, okay? This is like a landing area, we can say, when you are coming from downstairs. And again, all the material that we are going to be using in the second story is completely light because we wanted to achieve those panoramic views with glass. And this was a really challenging project from the beginning. We were following my recipe, but yeah, it was a really challenge for us. And I'm very happy to see how this project is taking shape. Okay, we are working very good with the builders, we are a team as always. And what we are looking forward, or what we want to achieve, is the happiness of our client living in one of the best houses we have ever designed. If you like this type of content, if you love to watch how a project is taking shape, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and hit the bell to be aware of more content like this. I'll see you in the next supervision.